Hello all, welcome to StockMock. This is Ravi presenting this video on what, how and why about StockMock. I thank Nitish, the founder of StockMock, for giving me an opportunity to provide this video series. Having said that, Nitish is the primary brain behind the technology that's powering StockMock, which is enabling us to see what our option strategies could have potentially made in the past. In other simple terms, the backtested results. Nitish, as I know, have been professionally trading options for many years. Like every other serious trader, he has also been on a typical journey of starting as a novice trader and slowly gaining experience from the market. Like everybody, he has also designed strategies on his own, for which he was in a dire requirement of doing backtesting in an easier way. That was a trigger point to create such a valuable application wherein based on the inputs, we can see the backtested results under 30 seconds, which otherwise would have taken weeks and in some cases months as well. Let's get to the point. If you are in StockMock already, I believe I can safely assume that you are already introduced to derivative markets. I mean, I can safely use the terms like what are call options, put options, different kinds of option strategies such as straddles, strangles, etc. There are pro traders who are already using StockMock. So I believe I can use those terminologies very liberally. Now, to gain access to the StockMock application, you have to be a registered user. Registration process is very simple. All you need to input is your name, your phone number, and the password of your choice in the sign up part of the homepage of the StockMock application. Once you input this, you will be getting an OTP for the mobile number that you have entered here. Once you validate using the OTP, you will be able to log into the application. I'm not going to enter any mobile number here for obvious privacy concerns. Since this is a very easy step in the whole process, I am skipping a demo of this. Once you log in, this is the page that you will land, wherein you have all the necessary tools to backtest your strategy.